We are the Kofeds. I'm Shane. This is Eames.
And I'm Cam.
We've been super happy with Optimized Health Plans. We're actually both business owners, and so we've never had 9 to 5 or regular paycheck or benefits and things like that. And so owning our own thing, the last thing that we would always take care of is the things like insurance and that kind of stuff. And so for a long time, we just didn't have any insurance at all. And we kind of knew the marketplace existed and things like that, but we had no idea how to navigate it. And so it was just the last thing on our list all the time. Somehow we got connected up with Optimized Health Plans, and what we loved is they just walked us through the whole process. They made it feel super easy. They looked at our situation and said, hey, you don't have anything to worry about. This is exactly what we do. We'll help you every step of the way. So they got us into a really great plan. They took advantage of every tax credit and everything, and what we ended up paying out of pocket was like almost nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, to the point where we tell like every single one of our friends about these guys. One thing that happened after we got insurance is we got pregnant, and we actually had this little guy here. And I remember we were so worried about how expensive it would be, and we'd have our friends saying, even with insurance, it was $5,000, $10,000 to have a baby. So we're in the hospital right after he was delivered, and she was sleeping, and we're sitting there, and I got a call from the billing manager of the hospital, and she said, hey, we ran your insurance, and I was totally expecting for her to say, okay, you just need to come pay $4,000 out of pocket, and she said, your out of pocket it was like $372 or something, I don't know, something crazy like that. And I remember we were just so thankful because we had so much going on, and to not have that big burden when he was born was so great.
As he's getting older and we are more prone to accidents, I think it's nice that we know that we're covered and we don't have to worry about that financially, and it makes us feel really safe and secure. Before we had our little boy, when it was just the two of us, I think it was a lot easier to put off insurance and we didn't care as much, and now that we have him, it's nice to know that we're covered.
We don't have to say, hey, just walk it off because we don't have coverage. I mean, it's so nice to know that we can
that we're covered.
Whip out that insurance card and not have to worry about it.
We're the Kofed family, and we've been optimized.